Today I'm coming to you guys with a hair video. The video is going to be on a roller set, and then I'm going to show you how I wrap my hair down after that for the evening for bed. So right now I have just washed my hair, and this was supposed to be a first impression on a shampoo too, and for whatever reasons, I'm gonna tell you, I left the shampoo in my car, and my car is at the dealership, so I don't have it. Oh, right now I have already washed my hair. I ended up washing it with the Maui in the purple bottle, so that I showed that tutorial before of me using that shampoo. But right now I am using this Maui, and I don't know if you can see it. I mean, not Maui. It's the Shea Moisture 100% Organ Oil that I'm using. I put about 3 drops in, and I put this just so I can have a little sheen as my hair is drying. I always like to put just a little oil on my hair. So I hope you guys have been having a good week thus far. I've been having a good one. Okay, now with this, I have my rollers here. And for me, how I'm going to do this is, here go my magnetic rollers that I'm going to use. Now, I have different sizes of rollers, okay? And it depends on how tight you want to curl your hair. Well, I do not want a tight curl. I have different sizes, and today I just want to be able to put a bend in my hair. So I have quite a few sizes of rollers that I use. I'm using this roller set as more to get my hair a little bit more volume for when I wrap my hair. I'm gonna be wearing my hair wrapped for the rest of the week. And this is another heat-free hairstyle. Besides the hair dryer, we'll be using the hair dryer tonight, so I can just speed up my process. But it will give me a little bit more volume to my hair, and it will just give my hair a lot more body than just when you wrap your hair just flat, it just be flat on your head. And I did show a tutorial where I wrapped just the crown of my hair so I can have volume from the top and everything. But this time I'm gonna wrap all my hair. So I'll be rolling all of the hair tonight. You know what I didn't do? I did not put on my leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna do that. Sorry. So my leave-in conditioner is the Hair Milk by Carol's Daughter. Love it, I really do. It works wonders in my hair, on my hair, so I love using it. So I just put enough in. And for me, it's basically to make sure around my edges. I have to make sure around my edges because that's my weakest spot. And my hair has really grown, I just want to say. It has really grown, which I am glad of that. Now I'm just using a teaser brush to kind of, comb out my hair a little bit. And like I said, my rollers are going to be probably kind of big. And I start kind of in the middle right here. And parts and all that, I don't have to have them. For the most part, I just pull them together. I got the purple ones. I'm gonna use the purple on the top. And then as you gradually go around your hair, your hair is shorter in some places. Well, mine is. I will have to use a different set of rollers. Okay, so here's the clip. Put the clip in, and I'll tell you in a heartbeat, this is not gonna be the best look, but guess what? I get the job done. But you will find if you're trying to be in a hurry to, do a roller set or whatever, this is such an easy way of, my hair dries so much faster when I roll it and then do this than when I just wrap my hair. You see how the shorter my hair gets, I go into a different size roller. And I'm gonna tell you guys, it took me forever to learn how to use this. I've been doing this now for years though, but you think I've gotten better, but this is my better. So, but yeah, it took a while. So if you start doing it, I always tell people you gotta play with it like they tell you to play with makeup, You just gotta keep practicing and practicing until, you get good at it. And I always put it on and pull so I can get it tight. You want your hair to be on the roller good and tight. And sometimes you're gonna get that little crumple that's across there. I see this right here. Put a little setting lotion so it can lay itself back. And I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see exactly how the roller set went, how it looks in the back. We'll both see this together. Okay, so this is the side. That's my left side. This is the back. I'm looking at it with you. That's not bad. I did pretty good today. Trying to take my time. Okay, and this is the right side. And then back to the front. All right, so now I'm gonna go and dry my hair, and I'll be back to take it down, show you what it looks like when I take it down, and then me wrapping it up for the evening. Okay, be back in a moment. Let's finish this off for the evening. So now I'm just gonna take the rollers out. My hair has now dried. Like I told you, I went up under the hair dryer to dry. So now I'm just gonna take out all my rollers. And this is the look afterwards. These are the curls I have so far. That's my left side. That's the back, the short part I couldn't get rollered. Right side. And now we're back to the front. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to go ahead and wrap my hair. And how I wrap my hair, I have a flat paddle brush. So I'm just gonna fluff it and play with it for you. That's when you want this big hair look. You do a roller set. A roller set for me is great. I like a roller set. It's nice when I have time to really play with it and do something. So now I'm getting ready to begin to wrap. And I take it from, I go around the right side and wrap. And I use the brush again, because for me the brush takes the kinks out between. It gives me a smoother wrap. Brushing, I am smoothing also with my hand. And I always kind of like use my left hand to kind of hold the top as I try smoothing it. Now I have smoothed it all down. It's all nice and tight. Whew, I'm a little oily now. I'm sweating. Okay, this is my hair from the front, left, the back, the right. And I hope as I'm hopping around here, you're seeing this. Okay, back front. Now, you should have a silk scarf, I'm gonna tell you. I didn't have this scarf for forever. Can't tell you where I got it from. Can't tell you how long I've had it. I've had it for many years. I wash it and keep on using it. So mine is right here. This is my scarf. And this is how I begin to wrap it. I always take it to the side here. Start my knot at the side, then I tuck my top, and then just to make sure I kept my hair smooth, I will move that around. That is my hair wrapped, ready for bed, and I see you guys in the morning. Good morning, I'm back. It is now time for the comb out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair down real quick so you see how, and that's what a nice roller set does for me. So this is my look for the day. That's my look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope I was able to, you know, give you some information that you didn't have, or even useful information. So thank you again for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so at this time. Hit that subscribe button for me, hit the notification button next to it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.